Ishani this side, and this is my husband, Anand.
Hello.
Today we came to Mysore. Today is the first day, and first we hit to Chamundeshwari temple,
Yes.
and it's a really pretty view. Just a second. Yeah, here it is. It's almost like around 5 o'clock. It's 5:30 right now, and the view is really beautiful, isn't it?
One of its kind. Can't express now.
And as well, we have entire Mysore city view. We are going to see that within maybe few minutes, right?
We have to travel down. There are some points where we can get a pretty picture. We can get it from here as well, but there are a lot of
Yeah,
restriction. It will not be clear
yeah.
because the sun is against us. So
No, actually, this is our first video, and we wanted to shoot it because today is our first anniversary, and we thought maybe this is the right day to start something new.
anytime. Let's support you.